a bit of pride and have an accomplishment to say, right, we're going to set ourselves out and we're going to go and batter them from minute one at their home. 3 hours drive, as Teddy said, we cannot give up. We cannot lose a battle like this. Okay, let's go out, prove a point, statement, let's go and do our job. David, on you. Lookies on 3, 1, 2, 3. Lookies!
Isso, moleque!
Vamos! Vamos, caralho, essa porra é do Luffy, porra! Vamos, porra! Caralho, que não, porra!
Vamos, professor! Vamos, puta mão! Vamos! Vamos, hey! This is the main man. Vamos, caralho!
Obviously, great performance from the boys. Happy to get 2 goals, take the boys to a win. Huge for us to get back on track. I mean, boys fought hard, 2-1 win in a hard place to go, unbeaten team. Honestly, the boys have dug deep. We had to bounce back after a loss, and we've come back fighting. No better than a win for Duluth. Blue Greens on 3.
It's always good to bounce back after a loss in the league, but the guys responded really well. Again, coming back from 1-0 down once again. This group keeps doing that this season, so proud of the way the guys responded. It was also difficult to play, you know, the rain, the very, very slick turf, brand new balls, so the ball was bouncing around, so for a team that likes to possess like us, it was kind of difficult. But I thought the guys did a brilliant job. The biggest thing today was to get the 3 points. So buzzing. Again, we get to celebrate a little bit going home now, but Tuesday we got another big one against Joy, and we keep hunting that the big prize, which is to win the league, host the tournament, and hopefully go all the way. So appreciate the Duluth fans coming and supporting us in this cold summer night. Welcome to Minnesota, right? But it's been a pleasure, and yeah, really happy about the result. So hopefully we can keep it going, all right? Thank you.